I haven't posted in a while, not because I didn't have ideas, but because I didn't have instruction. God's been calling me back into a season of stillness, and at first I thought I was just being lazy, but He showed me that I've been building from ambition, not alignment. So I stopped, I fasted, I waited. And on day 4 of a fast, this vision came, clear, direct, and holy. Divine Dream Creator isn't just a rebrand for my business, it's an assignment. And this is what obedience looks like for me in real time. The new direction isn't just about growing fast, it's about growing faithfully. And that's what Faith-Led Fridays will be about moving forward. The process, the pruning, and the prophetic steps. So let's try this again. Let's build an alignment and not anxiety this time.